In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images into outlines in Photopea. We'll start by opening Photopea in your browser. Once it's loaded, bring in the image you want to outline by going to File, then Open, and selecting your file. Any common image format will work. Choose something with a clear subject to make the process faster and cleaner. Once it's on your canvas, you're ready to isolate that subject from the background. Next, we'll remove the background. Go to the top menu, choose Select, then Magic Cut. Magic Cut analyzes your image and separates the subject from the background so the outline hugs only what you want to keep. You'll see a preview that shows what's being retained and what's being removed. Focus on keeping your subject clean and removing anything distracting behind it. If the edges look a little soft or you notice parts of the background still showing, use the controls inside Magic Cut to refine the selection so the subject is solid and the background is fully transparent. When the preview looks good, click OK. Now your layer contains just the subject on its own, which is exactly what we need for a clean outline. With the subject isolated, let's add the outline. In the Layers panel, double-click your subject layer to open the Layer Style window. Turn on Stroke. This adds an edge around the outside of your subject. Set the position to outside so the outline sits around the shape rather than crowding into it. For size, a range of about 5 to 20 pixels usually works well. Smaller images or tight details look better with a thinner stroke, while larger images or bold poster-style graphics benefit from a thicker stroke. Choose a color that contrasts clearly with your subject and the background you plan to place it on. White or black is classic, but any color can work if it stands out. As you adjust size and color, watch the live preview until the edge feels crisp, smooth, and evenly visible across the whole subject. When you're satisfied, click OK. That's it. Your image now has a clean professional outline. This approach is great for stickers, thumbnails, and social graphics because the transparent background and controlled stroke make the subject pop instantly. If you notice uneven edges,